Hey y'all, this is your girl Brittany coming to you with another 50 Shades of Red lipstick. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome. Girl, where have you been? I've been looking for you and I know you've been looking for me. Anyways, however you got here, I am so glad that you are here. If you want to continue on by leaving videos like this, and girl, so that we can continue on our conversation, go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so that anytime a video hits the scene, girl, you are in the know. All right, so let's get to it. In this video, I am gonna be showcasing a color by Revlon. For my birthday, one of my girlfriends gifted me with this cute little Revlon kit, and it is called Never Enough Lip. This is the Worship limited edition lip kit by Ashley Graham. If y'all don't know who Ashley Graham is, y'all need to look her up on Instagram. She is amazing. She actually had a baby right around the time that I had my little Michaela, who is now right now at this moment 9 months. So we're right around the same time, but she has been super vulnerable and just authentic about her journey through pregnancy and then post-pregnancy, which is really cool. So I am honored to be able to showcase this color. Anyways, Christmas is around the corner or somewhere around that time, and we're getting very close to it. And usually you're always trying to pick out what red lipstick am I going to wear for. Of course, now we have virtual holiday parties or gatherings or socials, whatever it may be, or your flavor. Here's what you get in it. So super cute. You get the gloss, you get a lip liner, and then you also get the lipstick. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna show you the lipstick, the liner, and the lip gloss all in one. So if you want to see what this color looks like, keep watching. Okay, so let me just kind of give you a clear view of what everything is going to look like. There we go. All right, so better shot. So as you can see, everything here. So I'm going to take everything out of this cute little box, and everything is glittery, and it actually has her signature, Ashley's signature on it. So it is super cute. Uh-oh, I lost the lip gloss. Oh, okay, never mind. In the box. All right. So I'm just going to take everything out so that you, girlfriend, can see everything, because girl, we gotta see it. Okay, apparently my girlfriend bought it on Amazon. It's a little lip kit, so there you go. You could probably get it like the next day. Anyways, this is what the red lipstick looks like. If you know Ashley Graham, this does not surprise me how bright this is. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is super cute. Super duper cute. And look at the case right there. All right, so that is the lipstick, and let me go ahead and swatch it so that you can see what this color looks like. Get a good swatch of it. There we go. That's what that color looks like. Really pretty red. All right, so there's that. Then we have the liner. So let's see what this liner color is. I wonder if it's very similar. Yeah, so everything is a red color. So there is the liner, and it's actually called Red. I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. Perfect. All right, so red, it's called, the lip liner is called Red. Anyways, look how super cute this is. It's the same glitteriness on the lipstick as it is for the cap for the lip gloss. So now I'm going to show you this lip gloss. I'm going to take a swatch of that. All right, so let's see here. Let's put it right there. Oh, look how pretty that is. I know. Let's see if I can get a good light. There we go. So there you go. You can see all the colors, really good shots of all the different colors. All right, so we're gonna put this all together so that you can see it. So we're gonna do first things first. Of course, it is really good for you to line your lips first before you put on your lip product, or before you put on your lip gloss, especially if it comes with the kit, or if you're just buying a single lip liner. So I'm just gonna get my mirror here because I wanna make sure that y'all can see everything, and I'm gonna scooch up just a little bit just so y'all can see everything and it looks clear to y'all. So you could be just as excited as I am putting it on. Okay, so So here we go, and that I'm in. All right, so here we go. So just gonna line my lips first. That just broke. Okay. Okay, so right off the bat, what I realized is that the lip liner is not as creamy as most lip liners are. So in the midst of me putting on the lip liner, it actually broke. The color tip broke, and it was probably about that much that broke, but still that's a lot. And so yeah, so just be aware of that it's not a creamy lip liner, in that you gotta put a little bit of work into it. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the lipstick and fill in our lips now. Okay, so the lipstick went on very well. Very creamy. I mean, it's gorgeous. I noticed that the red lip liner was a bit darker than the lipstick, so they just play really good together, and that's awesome because they blend very well together. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top off this lipstick, but as you can see, this is what it looks like just with the liner and the lipstick. You can literally wear this alone, and you can wear the lip gloss alone, but what I'm gonna do is to add a little shimmer, because there's a little shimmer to this lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on top of my lipstick. So let's see what that looks like. All right, so I'm just gonna put my mirror up here. There we go. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a really good set. So let me get up closer so you can really see that. See how I gave it a little bit of a purple sheen shine. So there's a little bit of purple glitterish in this red gloss that came with the kit. But that, I just want to get up close so you can really see it. That is really pretty. So I'm sure, I don't know how much it costs, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look it up on Amazon, and I'm gonna put the link down below so you can see if this is something that you would want. But the color is super cute. I mean, something you can wear every day, but it gives me this really like Christmas holiday feel. So that's when I would wear this little kit. The only thing is that the disclaimer is that the lip liner is not as creamy, so everything else was perfect. Just, I'm not a fan of the lip liner just because I've used lip liners in the past, and a lot of the lip liners that I use, they're very creamy and just easy to put on, and they glide. So that's a little bit of a no-go for me. Other than that, the lip gloss is super cute. The lipstick is really nice. I mean, Ashley, you did your thing with this because this is super cute. Like, this is, you can still wear it for every day, but I just feel like it's so holiday-ish, right? Yes. Anyways, there you have it. This is the Revlon. I'm gonna make sure I get it right. This is the Revlon. It's called Worship Lip Kit. by Ashley Graham. So girl, you did your thing with it. I like it. I love it. So there you have it. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, girl.